How's it going, and welcome back to the channel, where today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be checking out the new vlogging camera, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which I've just bought after watching one of Mini Minter's videos. I don't know if anyone watches Mini Minter, but he basically raved on about this new DJI camera, and I thought, you know what, I need a new camera for vlogs, so I'm going to check it out, and hopefully it's going to be a good purchase and means my vlogs are going to be a lot better, and I don't have to take my phone everywhere and my GoPro and have to record loads of different things. But we'll check it out in just a second, and then hopefully in the next few holidays we can test out vlogging. So it was quite an expensive purchase. I think it was £619 or something like that in the end, so not ideal. A big huge knock to the bank, unfortunately, but hopefully we'll see a lot of differences in the upcoming vlogs, so then I can take it out and sort of vlog it as I'm on the move and things like that, and you'll see lots of different other aspects which are much better for using this camera than using my phone. Right, so let's get this box open then. I've got the scissors, so hopefully we can just cut straight through the center, which we can, which is nice to see. And then we'll open it up and see what there is inside. Bit of ripped, I don't even know what that is, bit of ripped foam sat there on the top receipt. Oh, and here it is. It looks nice. It's like an Apple product, to be honest, in the white packaging. There it is, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Hopefully that is rendered in. Hopefully it's not blurry anymore. Focused, that's the word I'm looking for. But yeah, let's open it up and let's see what they've got inside. So here is a closer look. We also got the creator combo, because that comes with a microphone and other things as well. You can see all the different accessories there on the back. But the main thing that I needed it for was so that I didn't have to take my GoPro and my phone out. And also, you'll see in a minute, this screen here, you can twist it so that the camera flips onto the other side, so you can record what's in front of you as well as what's behind you. Right, let's get this film off first. I don't know, I thought this would be a good idea, trying to do it with one hand and film with the other. Now let's open up the box, see what they've got inside. There we go, so we managed to get in the top there. Always got some silica gel balls, not even sure what they're for, to be honest. I think it's just to keep it dry. I think it's got most of the stuff in this case. There we go, managed to get the case out there. I don't know if there's anything else inside, maybe a few instruction manuals and things like that. We'll throw them away. We probably will end up needing those at some point. And then there's something on this half as well, by the looks of it. On this half, looks like it's got some sort of, I'm not even sure what's on this side. Right, let's put the camera down. Right, let's open it up then. So, the creator combo comes with a DJI carry case. It's quite a nice little carry case, to be fair, because I've not really got anything to carry any of my GoPro or any other of my appliances in, so it's quite nice to have a small carry case, satisfying zip as well. And oh, I've just seen the DJI camera, which is in here. Oh, and there it is. So this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. I obviously need to charge it up, I think, and it's got one of those screen things that you peel off. You can have a satisfying peel of that now. Oh, I hope you can hear that sound, but that is such a satisfying peel. But that is basically going to be the screen of the camera. I don't actually know how you turn this thing on. Oh wow, there we go. So I've just turned it and the camera is already in action. So, oh, I need to activate it before I use it. So I'll go and do that in just a second. But yes, that is the camera. And you can see already how the camera's actually got its own mechanic, which keeps it stable. So when I'm doing walks and things like that, it's not going all over the place. So hopefully this camera will make the footage look a lot cleaner and without any noise, fingers crossed. So that's the camera. Let's see what else we've got in the case then. So we'll take the next thing out of the case. This looks like it's just a charger, yes. So I believe that this is a second charger for it, or sort of like an extendable arm as well that goes on the end. There we go, yeah, so that's plugged in, so see it's gone green, and that's charging. So it's currently on 55% charge, and that should charge up. It said that after 18 minutes, it should charge up to 100%, so that's a lot better as well, to be honest. And then I actually prefer this because it feels bigger, so that when I'm vlogging, it just feels a little bit more natural in the hands. Sometimes if it's too short, it might feel a little bit unnatural, like the screen, I can't see the screen, things like that. So I'm quite liking this so far. And there we go, so it's easy to remove as well, and that's just like an extra charging port and extendable arm, so that's quite good. I'm quite happy with those two so far. And now let's see what's next in the case. So we have got another battery by the looks of it, but this time it's not got the extendable arm. Let's open this up. Oh no, so this is the extendable arm, I think. So this is what you use to extend the camera without having to use the battery pack. But I suppose the battery pack you can just use as an extendable bit as well. So there we go, that's clipped on, and that's a good size, to be honest. You can see fits in the palm of the hand. I can go around doing vlogs. I'm hoping to go and watch Aston Villa in the next couple of days, so I'm going to use this camera. But I've already done an Edinburgh vlog and a Dublin vlog without this, so you may see a couple of vlogs which they've still got all this noise and stuff, and that's only because I've not actually used the DJI camera yet to vlog anything. But we will be going to Norway, Sweden and Finland in the next couple of weeks, so I'm going to try and make some vlogs on that. But yeah, again, easy to remove. I'll pop that one back on the table, and now we'll check out what else is in here. So we've obviously got the charging cable for the camera. We've also got a wide-angled lens. So I won't take that out of the bag yet because it's tiny. I don't know if you can see that. It's tiny. So once I get that out, I'll put that on the camera and we can have a look at the difference that makes to the footage. And here we go, the most important bits. So we've got the DJI mic, which I can clip on, and I believe it's got a magnet as well. I'm not too sure where that magnet is. It might be in here with one of these things, but yeah, here's the DJI mic, which you can clip on, and hopefully the sound will be a lot better. And then we also have, I think it looks like, yes it is, it's a windbreaker for the mic, so that's going to sit on the top of this. I believe it's got a little hole for it to go on. There we go. It looks like I've got a little pom-pom that'll be on my chest if it's windy and things like that, so that'll be good for outside recording. And also a handle as well, so I can put it around my wrist, the camera, and not drop it. So that's very important because I am quite a clumsy person. And then finally, the last thing that was in the case, I'm not actually sure what this is, to be honest. Can't tell right now. Oh, it's part of the tripod. So we've got the bottom side of the tripod, and I'm guessing what's in this box will be the final bit of the tripod. There's nothing else in that box, so let's open it up. And oh no, this is the case, I believe. I think this is where you can put your stuff. Yeah, so you can put in your wide-angled lens. You can put in, is it your mic? I think maybe you can potentially put in there. But this tripod, I'm guessing then, screws onto the bottom of the camera, does it? Or is it the bottom of this one? Ah, it's the bottom of this one. So this is part of the tripod here, this smaller one that we had earlier, that we used as a grip. So I'm guessing you can screw that on and then add the camera on top. So you can clip it in just like that, and then you've got yourself a little tripod for the camera as well. But now let's get on the camera and let's see what the footage is looking like. So we've managed to get the DJI up and running. It is all activated, and as you can see, there we go. Just filming my screen right now. There's the webcam and then my ring light up there. And what is the coolest feature about this DJI Osmo is if I press this in the corner, look, it's got me in it then. So instead of having to keep changing on my phone and flipping back and forth, you can actually just flip it straight on the DJI, and then I can film myself, and if I'm walking along, I can then film what's in front of me. So yes, there we go. That is one of the best features of this for sure. And now I'm recording off the DJI, so this is the sound coming from the camera. I've not got any form of microphone or anything on. I'm looking at the screen, I can see myself, and then if I want to turn around and keep walking, there I'm now watching my Discord. There's the webcam again, and there is the ring light. So it's a really cool feature for the DJI, and hopefully it'll make my vlogs look a lot better. I can also do sort of like very slow pans around the room like that, and lots of different things like that. So you've actually seen my setup there as well, to be honest, but I'll flip it back onto myself. And so now this is with the mic on, so you can hear the mic, which is just down there. I can also zoom in or out if I want to, so hey. So it has a lot of cool features which I can use this DJI Pro for. I'm also thinking of going traveling in the next few years as well, so hopefully I can take it all around Asia, going to Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Philippines and all of those. And then I'm also off to Norway, Sweden and Finland in the upcoming months, so I can definitely take it there to give it a good go. But I thought I'd tell you a little bit about what's going on with the channel right now. So I've obviously started doing the park runs, trying to get some more vlogs out, so I'm just in the process of editing an Edinburgh and Dublin one at the moment. It's taking a bit of time though, because I did it on my phone and for some reason the exposure on some of the vids is not great, so I'm having to change the color grading of that. And then we obviously also have all the Rocket League season 14 things as well, which will be coming up soon too. And I've also just remembered there's actually another feature on this which attaches yourself to me, so wherever I go the camera will follow me.
but I'll have to turn that feature on now, and then we can trial it out, and I'll walk around the room, see if it follows me. So as you can see, I've now attached it, so wherever I walk around the room, whether it be left or right, it is now attached to my face, so I can do some cool little videos, cool little dance as well, and things like that. So that's one of the things as well which I love about this camera, because I can take it anywhere. I can walk wherever I'd like within the room, and it will just keep following me. So you can get some cool little vlogs coming from that. And that's going to be it. So that is the video done. And if you do want to see some more a day in the life of Sheppy 10, do make sure to let me know down in that comments section below. I hope you've all enjoyed this one. It is obviously something a little bit different, and you will be seeing some more vlogs in the future. Once I've got this camera up and running correctly, the vlogs will hopefully be 10 times better than they were before. So I hope you all enjoyed this one, and if you did, do make sure to let me know, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see some more vlogs, and comment #UpTheVilla, because I'm off to watch Aston Villa versus Ajax right now. So I'll see you all in the next one.